Hey there everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins, shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. Nearly 11,000 subscribers, can you believe it? Woohoo!
That's great.
What are we here for today?
Today we're here for platinum.
Ooh.
So something that is a bit of an also-ran when people come in to talk about investments. The 2021 Perth Mint Kangaroo has been released. In fact, it was released a few weeks ago.
Beautiful.
But we've been holding off.
Fantastic. Let's do a bit of give us a bit of a ditty on platinum.
On platinum?
Yeah.
So platinum's, like I said, it's kind of the third precious metal. People talk about gold and silver, not so much platinum. So you go back 4 or 5 years ago, platinum was very much the same sort of price as gold. For every ounce of gold, you could buy an ounce of platinum.
It's like one to one, yeah.
Yeah. So a number of years ago, one of the car manufacturers got themselves into a bit of trouble with their catalytic converter, which was a big user of platinum. And that caused a glut of platinum on the market and a lot of people flooding over to palladium catalytic converters and that sort of technology.
Okay.
So with this glut on the market, it obviously, supply demand, basic economics drove the price quite low.
Yep.
And it came down to where it was almost like a 1-to-2 ratio, where for every 2 ounces of silver you could buy 1 ounce of gold type of thing. It was about
Platinum.
half the price.
Platinum, you mean?
Sorry, my apologies. I said silver, didn't I? Platinum, yeah. So it was about half. Platinum was about half the price of gold.
Yep.
So we saw that for a number of years. And if you, again, none of this is investment advice. Go and do your own research. Look at the charts. Type it into Google, all that sort of stuff. But you'll actually see that platinum stayed at about that half price level for quite a while until relatively recently, where it started to come back up again. And it started to come back up because the oversupply has been taken out of the market for a number of reasons. Palladium's got more expensive, so people are reverting back to platinum catalytic converters in the cars, those types of things. Platinum, a lot of the new technologies coming down the pike are favouring platinum because of its cost. So solar cells, EVs, even a lot of the space technologies that they're bringing down now are all platinum based. So we're seeing that demand massively increase. And platinum is not like, when you mine for gold, you get silver. When you mine for copper, you get silver. So silver is almost always produced. Platinum you actually have to target. It's a bit of a mongrel to find. It's a real mongrel to mine. It's an even more of a mongrel to refine and turn into what you need to. So when these, space companies and car manufacturers and all that are going to the industry saying we need more platinum, the industry's turning around and saying, well, that's great, but there's no way we're supplying it at this price because it's too labour intensive. So we're actually seeing, and you'll see on the charts, that platinum is becoming more expensive. So that's the burst on platinum.
Sure.
Again, it's not financial advice.
No.
Please do your own research because it is a bit of a specialty investment.
Yep.
Not so much as rhodium, but it is that bit more. So I do encourage you to look at it. And the Perth Mint Kangaroo is a great way to source your platinum.
It really is. And look, the premium isn't that much huge over a bar, for example, because
that's great English. That much huge.
That much huge. Did I say that? That much huge. Wow. It's not that much more over, a platinum bar, for example, because you still got to find it, got to get it out of the ground, got to mint it, all that sort of stuff.
You will find the premium overall on platinum is dearer than you would see on gold or silver because it's a harder metal to work with.
Yep. But in general, paying a little bit more for a coin than a bar, you may as well. And we have these in stock as of right now.
We do.
How long they last is a good question. But if you're watching this right now, these will be up on the website, the Platinum 2021 Perth Mint Kangaroo. Yep. Let's try not to mistake them for the silver.
Yeah.
like a half-ounce silver coin or something.
That's right.
Yeah. All right. Well, get a purchasing now. Again, do your own research on platinum. You may find that over the weeks, the months, and the years, it may appreciate in price. Of course, not financial advice.
And it's a good diversification. So you're staying within precious metals, but you're diversifying across the broad spectrum.
Absolutely. And you never know. There's that possible platinum gold ratio play.
Absolutely, there is.
Yep. Yeah. All right. That's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.
Bye.